Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is along the line, even though we're still most definitely several months away from Samsung's next big unpacked product launch event. The world's largest smartphone manufacturer doesn't appear to have done a much better job than usual keeping the protagonists of said shindig a secret. Of course, you can never be 100% certain of anything concerning an unreleased device like the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 until their makers actually hold a formal announcement, but those recently leaked renders and a freshly revealed benchmark clearly fall into the 99.9% confirmed. Yes, we finally have, unofficial, confirmation today of one of the Galaxy Z Flip 4's most significant upgrades over its predecessor, as well as a key advantage the next-gen foldable flagship is expected to hold against all of the best phones available right now, Galaxy S22 Ultra included. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 has gone from sounding underwhelming to quite exciting, as hot on the heels of a leak suggesting a serious power upgrade. It now looks like the battery could be better than expected. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 will have 2 batteries with a combined capacity. Now, that's already more than the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, which has a 3,300 mAh battery and then a previous leak suggested, as that pointed to a 3,400 mAh battery. But the battery capacity we're seeing on this listing is almost certainly the rated capacity, which is essentially the minimum capacity you'll get from the battery. Samsung, and most device makers, actually advertise the typical capacity though, which is the estimated average value for the battery, so a little higher than the rated capacity. It's the typical value that we mentioned for the Z Flip 3 and for the previous leak, and with a rated capacity of 3,595 mAh, the typical capacity here is likely to be even higher at around 3,700 mAh. So that's around 400 mAh more than the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, which is a not insignificant amount, especially given that the screens sound like they might be similar, and the chipset is likely to be more efficient. So if anything, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 might be less battery hungry than its predecessor. We would of course take this claim with a pinch of salt, especially since it conflicts with an earlier rumor. But certification agencies like this one are usually working off official information, so there's a very high chance that this is accurate. Battery life has long been a problem with smartphones, and it's even more of an issue with foldable phones, as despite often having bigger screens than conventional phones, they also often have smaller batteries. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. One, peace out.